Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Pete's Ghias. In this video I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to attach your hubcap clips to your 5-lug smoothies. This is an original smoothie, an unrestored wheel, and as you can see, these are the clips that hold the hubcaps on. And the way these originally were attached to the wheel was with some rivets. And on the back, the rivets are recessed into the wheel. There's a little notch in the wheel. The way they're installed, the traditional way, is you need a special tool and you have to put your wheels on horizontally on a jig or something, and the tool gets clamped to a vise from behind. You lay this down horizontally and then you have to hammer this rivet down with a 5 or 10 pound hammer, and you have to make sure you strike it hard enough and you get it flat, you get it perfect. And that's all well and good if you know what you're doing. But if you have to put 5 of these per wheel, and there's 4 wheels, so that's 20 of them, that's an investment in tools, and that's an investment in your time and your energy, and you run the risk of, you know, it not going on right and doing a bad job, and it can be potentially very frustrating and aggravating. So there's another way to do this that I'll show you right now. All right, so this is a tip I picked up on the Samba website. Somebody else came up with this, wasn't my idea, so I don't want to take credit for something that I didn't invent. So basically, the idea is you take a machine screw, you put it in from behind, you put your hubcap clip on, and then follow that with a lock nut. This is the hardware I used. I got it from my local hardware store. They're really not hard to find. I went for the stainless hardware so they don't rust. And this is the size I get, 632 by 3/8. If the holes in your smoothies for your hubcap clips have been oblonged or opened up wider because there was damage when the original rivets were knocked out, they're going to be slightly larger, so this size hardware won't work, so you have to go from a number 6 to a number 8. Okay, it's pretty simple. Just put the screw in from behind. The hubcap clip is positioned like this, the curved end facing the tire. Then just put on the nut, hold that in place, tighten the screw, snug it up. All right, so that's not going anywhere. With the wheel turned around, you can see that the heads of those screws fit in perfectly into the back of the wheel, because each of these areas is recessed. There's a notch in there. So the screw head will not interfere with the drums at all. If your hubcap clips are in good condition, they're not bent or completely rusted out, there's no reason at all to take them off. Just leave them on and roll with it. You'll be happy with them. If you get aftermarket smoothies from like J-Bugs or CIP1, those are made in China, and the hubcap clips are not going to fit well with your hubcaps. So I would just take those off. I would get a metal punch and drill a little bit here, and then knock them out from this side, push them through, and then get some hubcap clips from, I got mine from Wolfsburg West, and those are really nice. They come with the rivets, and I would just toss those rivets out or save them for someone else who knows how to use them well, and then screw them on with the machine screws, and you'll be perfectly happy with them. All right, well, let's see if this actually works. Beautiful. It's a waste of money.